Good morning, everyone! Hello! Nandito kami sa Skintel. Ayun. How are you guys? Nakapili. So, this is the second day ng training course ng SMP with Miss Arla Malabit, our Peel Master. Yeah! Ayun po siya. Ayan. Ayan. Hi, ma'am! Kamusta po? Baka po may gusto mag-training ng SMP, may mga, ano tawag dito? May mga available slot na yun. Kailan ba ulit ang SMP, ma'am?
Anytime.
Anytime. Basta may mag-ano.
Laguna, Pampanga.
Yeah, Laguna, Pampanga. Can you tell us about SMP, ma'am?
SMP is the word it used to be.
Ay,
It's for you to find out.
yeah.
Like our Facebook page, the Brokitecture Academy, and Skintel
Yes.